It is summertime and rosé season again. What you see here are some of the remnants of last year's crop, as it were. They have a really pretty rose pattern on the bottom, and I saved these 12 plus a larger one to do a yard sculpture for my wife. So the video to follow is kind of how I fabricated that and welded it up and what it looks like in the yard. So this location is not the forever home for this piece. It'll actually go in the front yard between a rhododendron and a fire maple. But we're having the house painted, and so I thought it was best to kind of put it here to ensure that we didn't have any breakage or anything. But it turned out really nice. My wife really likes it, and I actually have a neighbor that's super jealous for some reason. So anyway, happy with how it turned out.